Hello kids and parents. Learning to draw creatively has many benefits. It especially helps you unleash your creativity by observing the real environment around you. Moreover, learning to draw will help young children stay away from or at least limit their time playing electronic games and using phones. In the process of nurturing and educating your children, it's wonderful if parents can spend time watching and drawing with them. This is extremely important for strengthening the bond of love between parents and their children. At the same time, kids also learn from their parents' guidance, creativity, experience, and observation. With Helokidz, parents will definitely relax while drawing together, as they witness the innocent and pure strokes of their children. This is the simplest and most precious joy. Let's unleash unlimited creativity with Helokidz through your drawings. Hello lovely kids and parents. Helokidz would be happy to guide you through the process of drawing a gecko step by step. Here's a simplified method that is suitable for kids. Step 1. Start by drawing a long, curved line for the gecko's body. It can be slightly wavy to give it a more dynamic look. Step 2. Draw a smaller curved line at one end of the body for the gecko's head. Step 3. Add a circle or an oval shape at the end of the head for the gecko's eye. Step 4. Draw a curved line inside the head shape for the gecko's mouth. Step 5. Next, draw the gecko's legs. Start with 2 short, curved lines coming out from the body near the head. These will be the front legs. Then, add 2 longer curved lines at the lower part of the body for the back legs. Step 6. Connect the legs by adding simple, curved lines to form the gecko's toes. Step 7. Now, add details to the gecko's head. Draw a small curve above the eye for the eyebrow ridge. Then, draw a smaller curved line inside the eye for the iris. Step 8. Add some patterns or spots on the gecko's body and tail. You can draw a few irregular shapes or circles along its back and tail. Step 9. Draw the gecko's tail by extending a long, curved line from the back of its body. Make the tail slightly thicker towards the base and taper it as it extends. Step 10. Finally, erase any unnecessary guidelines, and you can add color to your gecko drawing if you'd like. Remember, practice makes perfect, so encourage the child to keep practicing and experimenting with different poses and styles when drawing geckos or any other subject. Have fun! Thank you, parents and kids, for watching and drawing with Helokidz. Helokidz hopes that both children and parents have been able to create the desired drawings. During the video, if there's anything you would like to suggest, share, or request, such as drawing animals, objects, or specific themes, please comment below the video to send your requests. Helokidz will continue to create more how to draw videos. Kids and parents, please subscribe to the channel to learn drawing and unleash your creativity together. Thank you for being a part of teaching children through drawing. Helokidz.